Howdy do. Hi everybody. My name is Jara B and I want to welcome you to my channel if this is your first time here. If you are a returning viewer, what's up, what's up? Welcome back. This video, you guys, is going to be a haul video from several different places. I have stuff from Coach, Marshalls, Staples, Dollar Tree, and Ross. So let me start off with a few things that I got from Coach. They had a sale not too long ago. I think it was an extra 20% off. So I purchased from Coach this little box set, which includes this mini boxy cosmetic case. Is so small and cute, you guys. This is what it looks like. So that, and it came with these hair ties that I will probably not use, but I will keep these little charms that are on here. So the little kit looks like this. And then I ordered from Coach the trigger keychain. It looks like this. And I got it in the brown khaki color, which is my favorite color from Coach. And then last but not least from Coach is this tote bag here. And this is the signature zip tote khaki saddle 2 is the color name. I love the size of this tote. From Coach, I purchased this I think this is called the Dome cosmetic case in this beautiful lime green. I'm not sure if my camera is washing out the color of this beautiful bright lime. So I bought that. I also purchased in that lime color the zipper around wristlet and a card case in that beautiful lime color. It's called Pale Lime. So that is all that I purchased from Coach. Okay, you guys, so now I want to show you some things that I purchased from Amazon. The first thing is this iPad cover right here. It's clear. So I got the purple iPad, iPad Air 5th generation. So I bought this cover to go on it. And the packaging looks like this, in case you're interested. That's the brand name for this cover right here. And then I ordered I'm trying to find my double eyeglass case. I haven't been seeing them recently in the past couple of months from TJ Maxx. So I searched on Amazon and I found this one. So you squeeze the top of it here. You could put a pair of glasses in here and another pair right here. Can y'all see that? So that's a little double eyeglass case there. I bought this little pinch coin purse in black. I wanted to buy some black accessories. And I bought a black pom-pom to decorate some of my purses with this fall and winter. I'm feeling black right now. Lime green and black. Okay, and so the last item, this is the last item from Amazon I wanted to show you guys, is this double coin purse. It looks like this. It's black with white polka dots. And then you see you have two sections here that you can put things in. And then look at that beautiful lining there. That's so pretty. One of my favorite things. I was surprised at how well, excuse me, at how well this looks. I like it. I like the design of it. Okay. And then the last thing from Amazon that I was able to get my hands on is this Juicy Couture Speedy in the color raspberry, y'all. I purchased this bag in a different color. It was called Sandstone from Burlington, and I returned this because another YouTuber here, Sassy Sonae, she had messaged me on Instagram that Amazon had this bag on sale, because I had said in one of my previous videos that I really wanted this in the raspberry color. So I was able to get this, so you guys will see a what's in my bag video in the near future on how I decide to decorate this beauty. Okay, so that is all that I wanted to share with you from Amazon. I did go into a Ross and I purchased 2 pouches from Ross. I got this pouch right here from the brand Rampage. See that? And it's black faux leather quilted, and it has a zipper on the back of it, and then your main zipper here, and that's the inside. So I really like this pouch from Ross. It was $6. And then I purchased this pouch from Ross by Nautica brand. It's blue with these pretty little flowers on it. So I don't have many blue pouches, so that's the reason why I purchased this. And so that is all I want to share with you from Ross. Okay, you guys, I forgot to mention a few other things from Amazon. I purchased this from Amazon, this little teddy keychain. He's so cute. I've seen his little arms and stuff, they move. So that, my very first chain strap in gold. It's a flat chain strap that you can put on whatever handbag you want. And then my very first chain, it's like an acrylic matte black chain strap here. So that is all from Amazon. Okay, you guys, so from TJ Maxx, let me show you what I purchased from TJ Maxx the other day. This cute little AirPod case. It's a daisy case. It's so cute. And I bought 2 lip balms, Hello Kitty and some other little character here. The cream macaroon lip balm, one in Hello Kitty. This is pink, a lighter colored pink, and this is more like a fuchsia little character. I don't know these characters, but yeah, a couple of those. Grand finale purchase from TJ Maxx is this beautiful tote from this company here called F&W Style. Can y'all see that? F&W Style. This is what she looked like. This is the designer and creator of F&W Style. This, I paid a little bit more than what I wanted to. This bag was about $100. And then this is what the outside of it looked like. And I'm not going to go into a lot of detail, except for I will show you the lining. And the lining is what attracted me to this. Let me show y'all this. Look at that. Look at that beautiful bright pink interior. And it even came with this beautiful, nice quality, might I add, dust bag. It looked like this. Give y'all one more peek. Look at that, y'all. You know, I'm on a journey to trying to get into tote bags. And what I'm realizing for myself when it comes to these tote bags is I don't like really large tote bags like to carry as my purse, like the Coach City tote. Those are too big for me to carry on like a regular basis. So yeah, you guys, I just thought it was pretty and had to have her. So that is all that I bought from TJ Maxx. No, that is not all that I purchased from TJ Maxx. Now, I can't remember where I bought this Juicy Couture set from. I can't remember if I got it from TJ Maxx, Marshalls, or Burlington. I'm so sorry. I can't remember exactly where I picked this little set up from, but this set cost $15. Sometimes I get those stores mixed up because I didn't do all of this shopping in one day. So yeah, so that is all, I promise you, this time from TJ Maxx. Now you guys, I want to show you a few things that I purchased from Dollar Tree or Five Below, one of those. Dollar Tree or Five Below. Anyway, this little mini backpack right here with the sequins on it, I just thought it was so cute, so I got that. The bag I have it in says Dollar Tree, but for some reason I feel like I purchased it from somewhere else. I don't know. This little keychain right here, it's cute. And last, this is Five Below. This stuff comes from Five Below, I think. Yeah. And then this little pin box case right here, it says green vibes only, and I thought that I could use this in one of my handbags. I use it some type of way. So that is all that I got from either Dollar Tree or Five Below, or a combination of the two, y'all. I'm sorry, I was just doing so much shopping, I sometimes forget where I get things from. Okay, you guys, last but not least, let me share with you a few things that I purchased from Staples. Staples has some really nice back to school supplies. They had some really cute little things. So I bought this little backpack keychain, and it looks like this. And a little notepad, little miniature notepad. It looked like this. It's like a little 3-ring binder. I just thought that was cute. These two pieces, they match, they go together. And then some of my favorite rollerball ink pens come from,
I don't know why I keep calling it True Blue.
This brand, True Blue. I really like this brand. Their paper products and things like that I've purchased over the years. I've been very satisfied with True Blue. These ink pens right here are my favorite. This little pouch, the little heart pouch, and I spent a little more than what I really wanted to on this pouch right here. You guys can see it, but look at that heart. That is so cute. And then a gold pull on it, zipper pull, and it's kind of lined really nicely. I spent $10 for this little pouch. I was debating on whether or not I wanted to spend $10 on it, but obviously I did, and I'm going to keep it. And then I purchased this 12 pocket homework organizer. It looks like this. It's from this company called Pep Rally that they sell inside of Staples. Maybe they sell this brand someplace else, but I've only ever seen it inside of Staples. And so you open it like this, and you have 12 different pockets for whatever. I'm gonna add like different things, that like my mail. I put mail in here, and then when I'm at work and I'm on my break, I can go through like my mail. I can answer some correspondence, things like that that I like to carry in my work backpack. And then last but not least, you guys, for this video, let me show you guys something so fun that I purchased from Staples. These little ink pens. Look at these. See? Aren't they cute? They come in pink, blue, and green. I bought one of each. The green one, I kept it at work just for fun. And then, okay, you guys, this pen right here, they light up. You see how it lights up? It's so cute. You can either tap it to make them light up, or once it stops, you can take off this lid, this pin cap, and it'll start to light up. So yeah, this pink one and the green one is a little bit more responsive than this blue one. This blue one, like, I really gotta hit it to make the blue one turn on. But I just thought that they was cute. So you guys, that is it for this video. Thanks for watching. I highly appreciate it. And until next time, everybody, stay safe out there.